Join me as I explore the powerful journey of healing and see what really happens when God touches our deepest wounds. Healing through faith is a journey that can transform our lives by addressing the emotional and spiritual wounds we carry. It's a powerful reminder that we're not alone in our struggles and that there's a deeper sense of peace and restoration available to us. Many of us face struggles that can feel overwhelming, like grief that seems to have no end, trauma that haunts us, or anxiety that grips our hearts. These wounds can seep into our everyday lives, affecting our relationships, our work, and even our sense of self-worth. It's like carrying a weight that we can't shake, no matter how hard we try. Daily tasks become daunting, and the joy we once felt seems lost forever. The pain of these wounds can also make us feel isolated, like we're the only ones going through such struggles. But the truth is, we're not alone. So many people have walked this path before us and have come out the other side, healed and restored. Their stories are a testament to the power of faith in healing. Besides the pain, there's often a sense of disconnection from others and from God. It's as if the wounds create a barrier that prevents us from experiencing the fullness of life. The impact of these wounds can be profound, affecting not just our mental health but also our physical well-being. It's a reminder that we're complex beings, and our spiritual, emotional, and physical health are all interconnected. The story of the woman with the issue of blood in Mark 5 is a powerful example of healing through faith. For 12 years, she suffered, seeking help from doctors but finding none. Her condition made her an outcast, and she was considered unclean. But one day, she reached out to Jesus in desperation, touching his cloak and saying, "If I just touch his clothes, I will be healed." Her faith was met with power, and she was instantly healed. What I love about her story is that she didn't have to be in a perfect place to receive healing. She was broken, desperate, and yet her faith was simple and raw. In my own life, I have seen the power of healing through faith. I remember a moment when I felt like I was carrying the weight of the world on my shoulders. I was struggling with anxiety and doubt, feeling like I was losing my grip on everything. But then, I had an encounter with God that changed everything. It was a simple moment of surrender, where I let go of my fears and my need to control. That moment taught me that healing is not just about the absence of pain, but about the presence of peace. It's about finding a sense of wholeness, even in the midst of brokenness. If you've been touched by this message, I want to hear from you. Share your own story of healing in the comments below. And if you're looking for more content on the power of faith, be sure to subscribe and check out our next video, where we explore more stories of transformation and healing.